With the Fed meeting concluding tomorrow, we once again saw a little bit of a sell-off in the market today. We saw most stocks were selling off, but there were those few that ran against the wind. And one of those stocks is going to be our next big winner. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you all about this new stock and how we're going to make it our next home run play. I know you're going to want to hear this, so stick around because we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If you're new here and you want to learn how to use stocks and options to make your portfolio go parabolic, make sure you start now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss an upload. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. I've got a very exciting one for you today. We're going to be talking about a brand new SPAC, and this one is pretty much gold. This is one of the better ones I've seen so far. We're talking about ticker symbol FTCV. So this SPAC is taking eToro public. And if you don't know who eToro is, it's pretty much a trading platform. It's kind of like Robinhood. It's actually a competitor to Robinhood and Webull, but it is a little different and it's got some features that Robinhood and Webull do not have. Now, what I really like about this platform is that they brand themselves as a social platform for trading. So some of these features include copy trading, the popular investor program, and being able to copy the TIE's social sentiment trading strategies. So I'm about to go over those. We're going to start with copy trading. Oh, and before you forget, can you please smash that like button for me? Thank you. Copy trading allows you to copy eToro's top performing crypto traders. Essentially what that means is that their trades are automatically replicated in your account. And this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any management fees for anyone to manage your account. Now, the other side of this is that if you're the one that's being copied, you're going to be earning payments. And this is what we're referring to when I say the popular investor program, and I'm going to go over that in more detail. But with this popular investor program, you essentially earn a monthly income for being copied by other traders. And you're going to be featured as a leader in the trading community because they are a social platform and they're kind of building their trading platform around a social platform. But when they feature you as a leader in their community, this in turn gets you more exposure to more users that are looking to copy your trade. And then you'll receive additional payments each time that you advance within that program. So let's take a look at that program real fast. So as you can see, they have different levels. So the levels are Cadet, Rising Star, Champion, and Elite. So as a Cadet, you're basically getting $2 per copier. Then as you move on or advance to Rising Star, you're getting $250 per month. Then as a Champion, you're getting 2% of the assets that are under management. Then with Elite, you're also getting 2% of assets under management. And it gives you the breakdown, tells you exactly how much worth of assets you need to be managing to be at each level, and then the minimum number of copiers required at each level, and minimum equity, minimum time in that level, and then your one-time payment for advancing. So when you make it to Cadet or being a Cadet, you're going to get $100. Then when you move on to Rising Star, you're going to get a one-time payment of $500. Champion, you're going to get a $1,000 payment. And then Elite, you get a $2,500 payment. So that's actually pretty decent, especially considering that at these other platforms, all you're getting is, a free stock or two for referring all these people. But with this, there's no limit to how many people you can manage because you're actually not doing any extra work. You're actually just trading out of your own portfolio. Now, this only applies to crypto, by the way. I can't remember if I mentioned that or not, but it does only apply to crypto, and you're only managing your own account, and whatever trades you're making in your own account is what gets replicated in each of your copier accounts. So you're not having to do any extra work. You're just earning money or whatever incentives for each and every copier that you have. And this probably does remind you of high school because I know that on every YouTube channel, there's that nerdy kid that let everybody copy off of them in school, but didn't get incentivized for it. Well, now's your chance. So the last one that we need to talk about is being able to copy the TIE's social sentiment trading strategies. And basically what Tides does is measure, analyze, and quantify social media sentiment. And you're going to basically enjoy this very complex process that they built in order to analyze and understand the wisdom of the crowd, so to speak. So basically all you have to do is click a button, and that's going to allow you to copy the sophisticated trading strategies trusted by some of the world's leading hedge fund and institutional investors. Now, this is actually rebalanced every month based on sentiment and wisdom of the crowd and what people are essentially thinking. So you're allocating on the long side to altcoins that people are the most positive on. And of course, there is a strong correlation with that and how the market moves. So this is all, or it all has a high success rate. So I want to take about a minute or two to show you a video very quickly that I got off their website. And this video kind of explains copy trading a little bit more and shows you the simplicity of the process and setting it up on their actual site or from their app.
Over 11 million eToro users around the world. Copy Trader, our most popular feature, and it's now available to US traders. Copy Trader lets you automatically copy all of the trades made by top performing eToro crypto traders. When they trade, you do too, at the exact same price and in real time. Here's how. Start by clicking Copy Traders. Scroll down to view the top performing or most copied traders. Click a trader's name to view their profile, showing their stats. To start, just hit Copy. Choose the amount you'd like to allocate. The minimum you can commit to copying is $200. You can also use the stop loss feature, which lets you set a value that, if reached, will automatically stop copying this trader. The last step is to decide whether you want to copy all of this trader's trades or just their trades going forward. By default, Copy Open Trades is checked, meaning that all of their current positions will be copied. Uncheck this box to only copy future trades. When you're all set, just hit Copy. Want to copy more people? You can copy up to 100 traders at the same time. Copy Trader is a great way to build your portfolio by leveraging the trading skills of experienced crypto traders. Only on eToro.
So I did tell you guys the ticker earlier, but I never did tell you the name. So FTCV, that's FinTech Acquisition Corp. That's the SPAC that's taking eToro public. Basically, this is going to be a $10.4 billion deal. eToro is headquartered in Israel, so they have a lot of international customers or users. They're growing pretty rapidly. And just to show you how much hype was around this stock today, or just around this stock in general, today they shot up 30% on confirmation of this merger. The rest of the market was basically red. So you can only imagine, I mean, people were scared and pulling money out of their stocks, out of their stocks that they've been holding, and dumping all their money into this. So if you count before the actual confirmation of the merger going through and then after, we were up 47% on this, I believe. So that kind of shows you the sentiment towards this stock and how people feel about this company, eToro. Now, another thing about the company, it is an Israeli-based company. They've got over 20 million registered users, and these users span across 100 different countries. 5 million of these users were added just last year alone. Now, what sucks about this company right now is that you currently cannot trade stocks if you're in the US, but that's coming in the second half of 2021. For now, all you can do is trade crypto. The company's biggest differentiator is its social component, of course, and they are the only platform right now that allows copy trading, which is going to be huge for them, because that's going to be pretty hard to beat, and it's going to attract a lot of different users, especially new users. So let's wrap it up by talking about how they make money. So the company doesn't make their money the same way that Robinhood and Webull do. The way that they make their money, they charge you like an extra penny for processing your order. So let's say you buy a stock that costs $1, they're gonna charge you $1.01 or something along those lines, but they don't charge you any other fees or commissions or anything like that. So let's talk very quickly about how we're going to take advantage of this stock. So we basically know that in this market, we've got a lot of volatility. There's a lot of ups and downs. So anytime you see this thing dipping, buy in, start a position, add to it. Now, if you can get this thing for $13, $12, I mean, I would consider that a steal. Even at $14, I would consider that a steal, but in the short term, you may see lower prices. So just keep that in mind. But if you're holding this long term, which I would suggest, you doing so, you've really got nothing to worry about. The theoretical floor for this stock, since it is a SPAC, is going to be around $10 per share, because that's what the actual shell company, the SPAC, is worth. Of course, I am not a financial advisor, so this is not investing advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But what I personally plan on doing with my shares that I have, I went ahead and jumped in and got 1,000 shares. I'm going to hold on to them for a while. Now, normally when I buy stocks, I like to buy stocks that have options on them. This one doesn't have options available yet because, it just started trading today, but I'm sure they're going to be coming. And as soon as they do, I'll be selling covered calls. I'll also be trying to acquire more shares by selling puts. And that's kind of what I do with all my stocks, except for the, rare few ones that I really like and I want to start a position in, kind of like this one. And, they just happen not to have options yet. If you guys do get in and end up holding and don't mind averaging down if it does go against you, in my opinion, I see this, being 2 to 3x pretty easily within the next few months. And that's, provided that we don't have some sort of a black swan event, like really bad news and the market starts selling off. As long as the market doesn't sell off, then this thing is going to keep going up, is going to go higher. Now, it may pull back a little because of the run it had today, and that's what you guys need to watch for, is a pullback. Sometimes you may see a continuation after a run like this, and then you'll see the pullback. But whenever that pullback happens, that's when you get in. Or you can wait till this stock actually starts trading options, and then you can start selling puts on it and pretty much buy it on your terms at the price that you want to buy it at. But I think that about does it for what I had in mind for you guys in this video. Make sure you guys are paying attention to what the Fed is saying tomorrow. That should be coming on at 2 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. Pay attention to that, because that's going to be a pivotal moment for the stock market. Again, I don't expect anything negative to be said, but you never know. So watch for that. I'm going to be updating you guys in videos all along the way and kind of let you guys know what I'm doing and what I believe is best in whatever situation we find ourselves in tomorrow. But stay safe, pay attention, and don't get over leveraged, because that can cause serious problems. So say no to margin, at least tomorrow, or at least until after we hear from the Fed. Now, if you guys haven't already, please go and smash that thumbs up button for me, because it greatly helps out this channel. And if you haven't joined our family yet, make sure you join our wonderful family so you can get access to videos like this every single day. Don't forget to tap that bell so you're notified as soon as I drop a video. And by the way, if you want to sign up for eToro through my link, you can do that by looking for it in the description below. I've got some other platforms that some of you may not be familiar with that are all great platforms and also give out free stocks. So why not go and get those? And last but not least, if you're in the mood to watch another one of my videos, stay tuned for the end screen. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you liked what you watched, make sure you subscribe, because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.